Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna see how to fetch out the value of year, month, quarter and day from a specified date. So here we have some names and their date of birth. Now we have to find the year, then we have to use text function. Value is B2 because our date is mentioned here, then comma. Then we will put a quotation mark. We will enter Y, again quotation mark, and we will close the bracket. Here we will get year, the same, we have to find out month, then again the same function text, value is B2, then again M, and again bracket close, we will get the month. Now we have to find the quarter. Before finding out the quarter, we will go for day, because for day also the formula is same, text, the value is B2, again comma, quotation mark, it's D, bracket close. Now we will come to quarter. For quarter we will use for ceiling function. Then we will use month function to bring out the month from this date. We will put B2 again, close the bracket. It will divide by 3 because we have to find out the quarter. Then we will close the bracket. Here it is. Now we have to find out this value for all the candidates. We will put Control D to copy the formula from above cells. Here you can see this, all the data is here. So thanks for watching. Just do like and subscribe for more tricks. Thank you.